Teacher on this here at CED Super Camp 2024. During the school break, we have many activities for the students, like these chocolate chip muffins that we're making. All the classes are in English, so the students will have fun while also communicating in English. Please come join us during the school break for some more fun activities.
Today we are having a fun science experiment. We are testing pH levels. Do you know pH levels?
I have no idea what is that.
Well, to find out, you need to come to the CED Super Camp in 2024. Do you know when the camp is?
Oh, okay. In this October, guys.
Yes, during the school break, we are having camp where you can do lots of science experiments, play lots of games, and we're going to speak a lot of English. Are you going to help us with the games?
Oh, of course. See you there, guys.
See you there, guys.